So, as anyone who is aware of anything I've ever made knows, I like making dumb shit. Dumber the better. And I love cryptids, and I'm making this, and I don't know if I'll even finish it, but look at the boy. Look at how perfect this boy is. He's so tiny. I'm gonna cry. I learned art just to make this boy. Look at him. He is so small. Muffman is a little baby. He's a baby. I'm gonna cry. He is perfect. I'm just gonna. He is so small. He is so small. No, go back. I'm gonna make him have little blushies because he is a perfect boy. He just wants the lamp. And he is perfect.